How to space out Instagram bio, or how to add new line on your Instagram bio. So to do that, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram, go and open your Instagram app like this. So now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you come to your profile, as you can see now tap on this edit profile section. Edit profile. After you come to this edit profile, scroll to down and tap on this bio section. After you tap on this bio, as you can see now, here is my bio now without the new line. So if you want to add a new line, all you have to do now, tap on this number section on your keyboard. After you tap on this number, you can get this return button. So tap on this return twice. As you can see now, I get a new line. So I'll now go ahead and type something like guys. So if you want to add another new line, make sure you tap on these numbers and tap on this return button. So as you can see now, I add another return button. As you can see now, I add another just space between my bio. So tap on this save button. Now you can go ahead and check it your Instagram with a new line. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.